Welcome to another installment of What's for Dinner, Baldman. Here's a fusion or an inspirational dish, Moroccan flavors with some masala, the Indian edge. I like all the flavors, the aromas that come from this. Really nice dish to make, especially right now where it's not super cold out, but it's still chilly. Easy canned tomatoes, canned lentils. I was just trying to show you can use boxed broth versus using fresh. Easy meal to make, just a bunch of prep dicing that way. I threw the chicken in the fridge I threw it overnight, but you can do it 30 minutes ahead of time just to get all those flavors infused. And again, I did that in a Dutch oven. You can do it in a large skillet fry pan. Using the rice cooker. You can use instant rice if you have it. You can do it on the pot. Easy. I go by that whole 2-to-1 liquid to your rice ratio. Nice, easy meal. Thank you, everybody, for continuing to watch, share. Please remember as well, if you can, give to your local food banks, charities. Help the ones that can't feed themselves. Take care, everybody.